Izindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
There's another category obviously of creditors that are owed, whether it's water boards, Eskom, Auditor General, SARS, pension funds.
Ihhovisi lomgcini mafa belibamba isithangamini abeyindaba kulandela ukugodlwa kwesikhashana kwemali eyabelwa omasipala abathile njengoba kunomasipala abangama-67 abachazwe njengabangayilandeli imigomo yokusebenzisa imali yomasipala.
In terms of the work that we do to be able to make sure that those people that are actually being exited, none of them are then going to walk back into the country illegally.
Ikomiti elibhekele umnyango wezasekhaya ePhalamende lizophothula umsebenzi walo wey'nsuku ezimbili njengoba lihambele emngceleni iBeit Bridge eLimpopo ngenhloso yokuyibonela ngokwalo ukuqhubeka kohlelo lokucutshungulwa kwemininingwane yabokufika abasesikhungweni saseMusina njengoba belungiselelwa ukubuyelwa emazweni abo. Isikhungo esiqaphe ukusebenza kwezempilo eNingizimu Afrika sidalule ukuthi ukushona kwezinye zezisebenzi zezempilo ezibhedlela likahulumeni KwaZulu-Natal kwakungahlangene nokuhlukumezeka okungenzeka ukuthi zazithole emsebenzini. Ngikubingelele mbukeli ngikwamukele indaba zehora lokuqala igama lami nguNoxolo Mamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabanga nelimhlophe qwa ake sibheke ukuthi namhlanje emini sikuphathele ziphi. Umgcini mafa kuzwelonke ubambe isithangamini abeyindaba ePitoli kulandela ukugodlwa kwesikhashana ukuhlinzeka ngemali komasipala abathile. Ilinganiselwa ku-13.5 billion amarandi isiyonke imali egodlelwe omasipala abangama-69. Umgcini mafa uthi inhloso ngalesi sinqumo uqinisekisa ukuthobela imigomo ebekiwe eziphathimandleni zomasipala.
Omasipala babhekene nezinkinga zemali kuzomela bahlangabezane nemibandela yomgcini mafa ngaphambi kokuba imali egodliwe idedelwe. Umgcini mafa uthi abanye omasipala bagodlelwe imali behlulekile ukukhokhela izikhungo zamanzi, iEskom, iSARS kanye nezikhwama zempension, kanti abanye behlulekile ukubhekana nokusetshenziswa kwemali ngendlela engafanele.
With regards to there's another category obviously of creditors that are owed, whether it's water boards, Eskom, Auditor General, SARS, pension funds. So essentially in that regard, what we are requesting from those municipalities is for them to give us the payment plan that has been signed by both themselves and together with those creditors. And then once they give us that, we'll release a portion of the money, which is probably 1/3, for them to go pay those accounts as agreed with those creditors.
Ihhovisi lomgcini mafa lithi omasipala kuzomela bakhombise ukuzibophezela ekulungiseni isimo semali ngaphambi kokuba imali egodliwe idedelwe.
So we have seen some progress as previously indicated in terms of a reduction and also in terms of the implementation of consequence management. So that's why you see the number gradually reducing in as far as it relates to those two specific areas because we had 55 out of the 75 in December and then that has reduced to now 39.
Umgcini mafa ugcizelele ngokuthi ukugodlwa kwemali akusona isijeziso kepha kuhloswe ngakho uqinisa ukuphathwa ngendlela efanele kwemali yomasipala.
Ikomiti elibhekele umnyango wezasekhaya ePhalamende lizophothula umsebenzi walo wey'nsuku ezimbili njengoba lihambele emngceleni iBeit Bridge eLimpopo ngenhloso yokuyibonela ngokwalo ukuqhubeka kohlelo lokucutshungulwa kwemininingwane yabokufika abasesikhungweni saseMusina njengoba belungiselelwa ukuthi babuyele emazweni abadabuka kuwo. Ngaphambi kwembhikisho ebisabalele ngodaba lobokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho, iningi labangaphandle lithathe isinqumo sokubuyela emakhaya.
Njengoba ukuqhubeka umsebenzi wokuthunyelwa kwabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho emazweni nabo, usihlalo wekomidi lasePhalamende elibhekele izindaba zomnyango wezasekhaya uthi uculisekile ngomsebenzi osewenziwe umnyango wezasekhaya ecubungeni imininingwane yabokufika.
We are satisfied with the work that has been put on the ground by the team that was appointed by the president, and as a committee on our work of oversight, the areas which I've highlighted that the BMA has raised with us in relation to underfunding to meet some of the issues that they ought to facilitate as an institution.
Kanti ukhomishana wezemngcele uthi bazoqikelela ukuthi kulandelwa umthetho ngesikhathi siqhubeka izinhlelo zokuthumela abakuleli ngokungemthetho emazweni abo njengoba nekomiti lasePhalamende libhekele umnyango wezasekhaya liqhubeka nokuqinisekisa ukuthi uma laba sebethunyelwa emazweni abo yiziphi izinhlelo ezikhona uqikelela ukuthi uma bengena kuleli bangena ngendlela efanele.
Basically, they're coming to check as to what do we do when those people are actually moved out of the repatriation center here at the port, and we are then going to take them through the process that we do actually here at the port, ultimately making sure that they understand how we actually get them exited. But the second part of what they're interested in is to also to check outside the port in terms of the work that we do to be able to make sure that those people that are actually being exited, none of them are then going to walk back into the country illegally.
Umasiyapato uthi bazoqinisa imithetho emngceleni uqinisekisa ukuthi abokufika bengaphinde bazingenele kuleli ngokuthanda kwabo.
Isikhungo esiqaphe ukusebenza kwezempilo eNingizimu Afrika sidalule ukuthi ukushona kwezinye zezisebenzi zezempilo ezibhedlela KwaZulu-Natal kwakungahlangene nokuhlukumezeka ezikuthola emsebenzini. Lesi sikhungo sihlonze ukuthi akukho kwabangamaphutha okwenziwa ngabaphathi bezibhedlela zikahulumeni.
We are releasing the joint investigation.
Abukho ubufakazi bokuthi ukushona kwezisebenzi zempilo ezibhedlela KwaZulu-Natal kuhlobene nesimo sokusebenza, ukuhlukunyezwa kanye nokuxhashazwa endaweni yokusebenza.
The investigation found no evidence pointing to direct causal link between the deaths under the investigation and workplace bullying, victimization, adverse working conditions at any of the facilities concerned.
Uthi ukushona kukaDokotela Tumelo Khaladi owayesebenza esibhedlela eEdington washona esekhaya engekho emsebenzini.
The investigation found that Dr. Khaladi, a 31-year-old male doctor, died at his residence and was not on duty at the Addington Hospital.
Ukushona ke kukaDokotela Alulutho Mazwi esibhedlela eMshiyeni okwasabalala ezinkundleni zokuxhumana uphenyo luthola ukuthi washona engekho emsebenzini.
The investigation found that Dr. Mazwi did not die while on duty. He became critically ill while at his hospital residence on the day of his death. He was rushed to the hospital emergency department where he was pronounced dead on arrival.
Uphenyo luphinde lwathola ukuthi kuzo zonke izibhedlela kunokuntuleka kwezisebenzi kanye nokukhathazeka ngezokuphepha. Izisebenzi zezempilo nazo zidinga ukuba zisebenze endaweni ephephile.
Kuphinde kwabhekana nokunye ukubambezeleka ukuqulwa kwecala likasomabhizinisi waseNorthwest oyibiza ngengede yamaphoyisa uBrown Mkhotsi emva kokuthi ecele inkantolo yemantshi yaseGoli ukuthi lihlehliswe ukuze akwazi ukubonana kahle nommeli wakhe. Umkhotsi akagunyaziwe ibhayili ngenxa yokuthi eminye yemininingwane ayihlinzeka inkantolo ayigculisi phambi kwemantshi.
Umkhotsi ubhekene namacala ahlukene obugebengu ahlanganisa nezinsolo zokuthi wasenga ezimithiyo ngokuthi kukhona bebezama ukumbulala eFosloras ngonyaka owedlule. Umbuso uveze ukuthi unobufakazi obusha bomfanekiso wevideo obuninida uMkhotsi kwelinye lamacala.
The copies of the footage has now been given to the defense, and the defense have indicated that they would want to consult further.
Ummeli kaMkhotsi besecela isikhathi sengeziwe sokubonisana nekhasimende lakhe kulandela ukwethula ubufakazi obusha kuhlangothi lombuso. Utshale inkantolo ukuthi kunobunzima bokubonisana noMkhotsi ngenxa yembandela eqinile yasejeleni.
If the court so permits, is there a possibility that this court can make an order that the correctional services allow us to enter those particular facilities using our laptops as well as our cell phones, so that we can be in a position to properly consult and prepare for this particular meeting.
Ijaji liphakamise ukuthi umsolwa alethwe enkantolo ukuze kube lula ukubonana nommeli wakhe ngale kokuthi akhishwe ejeleni.
I think the best way to do is to bring him here, then we can then use the equipment that is available here to consult, and on one of the days when I make arrangement that he be brought to court, then you can then do that. That's how the legal aid guys are doing it.
Icala lihlehliselwe mhla zintathu kuNcwaba.
Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga sigunyaze ukuthi ubufakazi buka Witness M buqhubeke esithe ngenxa yobucayi bobufakazi bakhe. Isiphakamiso sifakwe yithimba elihola ubufakazi kukhomishana. uWitness M kulindeleke ukuthi ahlinzeke ikhomishana ngobufakazi obuhlobene kakhulu nokuthuthwa komthamo weyidakamizwa obuchaphazela namagama ezikhulu eziphezulu kanye nosombusazwe abathile.
Yes, we've read the application and we are satisfied that it should be granted. But I propose that rather than go through all the paragraphs of the order, I should just grant an order that says the application is granted. I'm doing that because we usually have, in fact, it may be only from the last one. Others have followed the format of your order. So there's nothing wrong with the format of your order, nothing at all. But I want to grant an order that will even list at the end the people who are allowed to be at the fully in-camera hearing.
Mbukeli sithatha iqhu eyitolo kanti ke siyabuya nezinye izindaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu. Mbukeli asikubingelele siphinde sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Umkhandlu olawula ezabamele eNingizimu Afrika usunikele enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli ngenhloso yokuthi owayengumvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane acishwe ohlwini lwabameli. Bakhala ngokuthi uAdvocate Mkhwebane akusafanele ukuthi ke aqhubeke nokusebenza njengommeli ngenxa yezizathu ezibekwe enkantolo. Emaphepheni afakwe enkantolo umkhandlu wezabameli ufuna nokuthi uAdvocate Mkhwebane edlulisele ngokusheshsha isitifiketi sakhe sokubhaliswa njengommeli. Ikomiti lasePhalamende isection 194 elaliphenya ngomkhwebane lamthola njengomuntu ohlulekile ukuyiphatha nongakulungele ukuba sesikhundleni ngoba lithi wehlulwa umsebenzi. Balinganiselwa emakhulwini amabili nama-41 abasolwa ngokukhwabanisa emkhakheni wezokwakha asebeboshiwe. Abayi176 sebeshushiselwe ukuthatha imali ngokungemthetho kanye nokwesabisa izinkampani eziqhuba izinhlelo zengqalasizinda. Lokhu kudalulwe uNgqongqoshe wezemisebenzi kahulumeni uDean McPherson esithangamini nabe indaba ePhalamende.
Phansi ibiminyaka emibini susela isebe lemisebenzi yoluntu namanye amasebe ohlukeneyo atyikitya isivumelwano ezibophelele ukuba aza kuqubisana nezityholo zokubanjwa ngobhongwana kweenkampani ezinikwe uxanduva lokwakha isiseko sikarhulumente kweli. Enikeza ingxelo yomgama eselebe uhambile, umphathiswa wesebe lemisebenzi yoluntu uDean McPherson uthi sele kubanjwa abantu abangaphaya kwama200.
Since the signing of the Durban Declaration, there has been measurable progress. There have been more than 770 cases of construction-related extortion and intimidation that were reported across the country. Of those, 241 arrests were made, and importantly, 176 people were convicted.
Ngaphezulu, zinkampani zokwakha ezingama52 ezithe zabhangiswa lokugama ezinye zisaphandwa. Iphondo iKwaZulu-Natal, iMpuma Koloni kunye nephondo laseGauteng ngawona amaphondo achaphazeleke ngamandla. Nangona kunjalo umphathiswa uthi kukhona ukuphucuka kwamanani KwaZulu-Natal.
In KwaZulu-Natal, which was historically regarded as the hotspot of this activity, monthly site disruptions have dropped from more than 60 incidents per month to fewer than 10 per month. That is a significant improvement.
Ndinguyamkela Mchiyo wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente.
Umvikeli womphakathi uadvocate Kholeka Gcaleka uthi idolobha laseKapa liyehluleka ukuhlinzeka izakhamuzi ngezidingo nqangi eLanga Flats kanye nakwezinye indawo zaseKhayelitsha. UGcaleka uthi imbiko iveza ukuthi kusenzima ngisho ukuthi izakhamuzi zalapha zithola izindlu zangasese ezisesimweni esifanele kanye nezindlu zokuhlala.
Oluphando loluphenjelelwe sisikhalazo esasifakwe ngabahlali ngonyaka ka-2022 no-2023 luvavanye ukusilela kothuthu lenkonzo ukusuka kugutyulo ukuya kwizindlu kunye nendlela umbane nobonelelo lwenkonzo zempilo.
The failure by the city to repair and maintain fire safety equipment has a direct bearing on the constitutional rights to life, dignity and adequate housing under sections 11, 10 and 26 of the Constitution.
Logama ekuvuma ukuphucuka okuthile kwicala lesixeko umkhuseli woluntu uthi abahlali bayaqhubeka nokuphila ubomi obungenabuntu njengokuqinisekisiwe kumgaqo-siseko.
Le ngxelo ebendiyikhupha namhlanje isisibonakaliso sokubana kubalulekile ubana abantu nabo baziphakamele bazimele ngokuhanjiswa kwenkonzo kwindawo abahlala kuzo njengokuba abantu baseKhayelitsha naseLanga baye benze njalo beza ku-public protector after boyisiwe yintetho yabo nesithi bebonakalisa into yobana indlela abahleli ngayo ayiyo indlela ekufanele uba bahlale ngayo.
Le ngxelo ikwaphakamise imibuzo malunga nokuba oomasipala bajamele nengxaki yokugugelwa zeziseko zengundoqo kunye nokukhula kwendawo zogobityholo bafumana inkxaso yaneleyo kusini na ngemali ikwamemelela ukuqwalaselwa ngokutsha kwenkxaso-mali kunye nokusebenzisana kwamasebe ohlukeneyo karhulumente.
Izakhamuzi zaseSouth Hills eGoli zikhala ngomkhandlu waseGoli ngokumiswa kwenqubo yokuhlaliswa kwabantu kulaba abafaka izicelo zokuqashwa noma ke zokuqasha ezakhiweni ezikhokhelwayo njengoba sekuphela iminyaka eyishumi lezi zakhiwo zingahlali umuntu.
Izakhamuzi zaseSouth Hills zikhala ngezindlu zokuhlala ezingama200 ezakhelwa abantu abahola kancane ezingahlali umuntu njengoba zazinethemba lokuhlomula kuzo.
How many years? They must allocate the people. We want allocation. That's all that we want. We're staying with our kids. We are about 17, 18, and there's plenty of empty houses. Please, we need allocation. That's what we're here for.
The people of Ward 57, not outside Ward 57, must be allocated to these flats. Please, we are begging the city of Joburg.
They break in, they steal the taps, they steal the baths, they do everything.
If you can see, there's cracks and stuff like that. A lot of things happening. People are stealing geysers. There was securities assigned here. That means they came here to loot for the money and then they are gone.
Ihhovisi lomnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu kumkhandlo waseGoli lithi lezi zindlu zimba eqolo yingakho lwamisa uhlelo lokwabiwa kwazo.
There has been a decision that the moratorium be placed for the development or the construction of the CRUs because the program is not sustainable, it's not financially viable, it's not financially sustainable. To a sense that, you know, what you collect is too little for the maintenance of the very same unit. Because when you maintain at the market value, but the rental collection becomes it's too low.
Umabaso uthi basazodingida nangenqubekela phambili yalezindlu ezisele dengwane ngaphambi kokuthi kungeniswa abantu kuzo.
Umengameli waseZimbabwe uEmmerson Mnangagwa ushicilele umthethosivivinywa ozoletha inguquko kuhulumeni njengoba uzokulula ihlandla likaMengameli namalungu eParliament ngokuthi kube yiminyaka eyisikhombisa. Ihlandla likaMengameli namalungu esishamthetho selizolulwa ke libe iminyaka eyisikhombisa njengoba beliyiminyaka emihlanu nje. Ukushicilelwa kwalomthetho ngezinye zenguquko ezimqoka kusukela kwaguqulwa umthethosisekelo ngo-2013 kanti ke kulindeleke ukuba zikuphikise lokhu ezinye inhlangano enkantolo yomthethosisekelo. Mbukelisi sasiqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya ke sobe sesikuphathele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu ungalingi unyakaze. Mbukelisi sibeka lapha ebese kuphathele zona emini oza kwethu bayeza neindaba ngolimi lwesindebele uma nje kugamanxa ihora lesihlanu ntambama. Thina ke siyabuya futhi nezinye kusihlwa ngehora lesikhombisa. Okwamanje nje usale kahle.